All right. This is how you control the movement of your door. You using the door closure for your storm door. So usually there's a control vibe right here. So this one, if you turn it clockwise, clockwise this way, like tighten it, and you're gonna like you're gonna take time to close by itself. But if you turn it counterclockwise, this is how you control it. Like loosen it. So it's gonna slam hard if somebody open it doesn't hold it. And you don't want it that way. You want the door to close gentle. So like this, gonna close so hard. So you need to tighten like clockwise to control the movement so that the door can close by itself even if you forget, so the wind cannot rip it off. And I'm gonna open it and I'll let it go. So it take its own time to close. So it's not gonna slam that hard.